Hello, Deborah here from the Piggyvest Business team. The Piggyvest Business bulk transfer feature allows you to pay multiple people at once, making it the ideal tool for processing staff payroll quickly and efficiently. Here's how to set it up. Log into your Piggyvest Business dashboard. Navigate to Payments on the side menu and select Bulk Transfer. Click Make a bulk transfer on the bulk transfer page. Fill in the required details and click Continue. Download the provided sheet template to get started. The sheet includes a detailed template to guide you. Open the file and fill in the details for all recipients, including their account numbers, bank, and the amount each person should receive. Once you filled it out, save the completed sheet. Return to your Piggyvest Business dashboard and upload the document you just filled out. Review the details and confirm to initiate the transfers. For future recurring payments, you can simply re-upload the same sheet instead of downloading and filling it out again. Thanks for watching.